Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing canned tuna, mayo, lemon, salt, pepper, and a bowl. Drain the tuna well so the salad won't be watery. You can save a teaspoon of the juice if you want moisture control later. Flake the tuna with a fork to break up large chunks, then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of lemon juice for brightness. Stir gently until evenly coated. This step binds the proteins and creates a creamy base while you prepare mix-ins next. Once the base is ready, you add texture and flavor. Finely chop 2 tablespoons of celery and 1 tablespoon of red onion, then fold them in for crunch. If you want brightness, stir in a tablespoon of chopped pickles or capers. For a tangy lift, half a teaspoon of mustard helps bind and sharpen flavor. Make sure to taste as you go and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. If it feels heavy, swap part of the mayo for plain yogurt or a splash of olive oil to lighten the mixture. You finish by choosing how to serve. Spoon the tuna salad onto toasted bread, crackers, or a bed of greens, then garnish with chopped parsley or lemon zest for color and aroma. Transfer leftovers to an airtight container, label with the date, and refrigerate. Use within 3 days for best quality. If the salad seems dry, add a teaspoon of olive oil, reserved tuna liquid, or extra mayo to restore creaminess. If it's too wet, bind it with a small amount of breadcrumbs or mash in a boiled potato to rescue texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.